Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see about the interesting story behind the famous chicken 65. If you are a chicken lover, then you must have tried the chicken 65, which is a lip smacking dish that is often served as a starter. But have you ever wondered why there is a number in the name of the dish? Yes, I'll tell you now. The chicken 65 originated from Chennai and was introduced in 1965 at the famous Buhari restaurant. And they also offer chicken 78, chicken 82, and chicken 90, which were introduced in 1978, 1982, and 1990, respectively. However, some days, some interesting stories like the marinade for the dish takes 65 days to prepare. However, the reason was to retain its freshness and flavor. Chicken 65 was made with 65 kinds of spicy chilies. Yet, another source is related to the North Indian Army soldiers who frequently visited military canteens in Chennai. The menu was written in Tamil and the soldiers couldn't read it. As most soldiers couldn't read Tamil, they used to order the dish by specifying the dish number, which was 65, on the menu. Since then, the dish is popularly known as the chicken 65. Thank you for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.